strategies, starting with what students learn in elementary school and the strategies that get them ready to be successful in middle school. After students learn their initial multiplication facts, we begin to teach them how to use the area model to multiply. The area model relies on an understanding of basic length times width understanding to find what we would call partial products. The area model, you can see here, for 127 times 365 relies heavily on place value understanding. Students quickly realize that they're not multiplying 1 times 3, but in fact multiplying 100 times 300, which helps them make better sense of what's happening in the process of multiplication. Once they actually complete all the boxes of 300 times 100, or 60 times 20, or 60 times 7, they add up all the pieces, all the partial products, and find their total of 46,355. We quickly move students from this method of the area model, that's more visual, to what we would call just the regular partial products method, which you can see here. You'll notice the same answers are showing up in the partial products method that showed up in the boxes in the area model. Students still see that it's 5 times 7 is 35. They see that it is 5 times 20 and not 5 times 2, or they see that it's 60 times 100, not 6 times 1. Again, relying heavily on their place value understanding, they can begin to transition to add up their partial products to find their answer. This lays the foundation for them to be successful and be more abstract with the standard algorithm. You'll notice on the standard algorithm, you still see many of the same pieces showing up here that we saw back in our area model to begin with. And students can also look for that pattern and see where they come to play in the partial products. So students in middle school should be familiar with the standard algorithm. It is a 5th grade expectation that they master the standard algorithm for multiplication before entering the 6th grade. It still may be important for students who are struggling to remind them of their partial products methods, as it is a big piece of what they learn in elementary school. Some of your lowest students still might be benefiting from looking back at the area model itself.